Hello guys, my name is UnlimitedCop and welcome to a new series on my channel. I'm going to keep this intro pretty short guys. Pretty much it's just a series on my channel. Going to be following me around my resale journey. Let's say I go to like a sneaker con or something. Let's say I sell shoes, seeing what I cop, what I don't cop, just a whole bunch of stuff like that. This is the first episode guys, so if there's anything you guys want to see change, you guys want to see more of, definitely leave your opinion down in the comment section below. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys do enjoy. Alright guys, so I have this box here. I believe it's my Yeezy Foam Runners, foam something. So these actually shop dropped like a week ago, I think. Luckily I was on my computer and all I had to do was open Phantom and it got a size for me. I wanted a couple pairs, but unfortunately I only got one pair. And it is my size, so I might wear it. I don't even know. I haven't seen these things in hand yet. Definitely a weird looking box. As you can see, it's like inside out. It has the foam on the inside and the outside box is just like plain. Kind of a weird design, but it is pretty dope. Yeah, these things definitely very weird looking. Retail was like $75 and they're at like $400 right now, maybe $300 because everybody got their pairs. But definitely an interesting shoe nonetheless. And I figured they would smell like a plasticky kind of like China smell, but they really don't. They smell pretty good. They look very high quality. I mean, I guess as high quality as you can get for like a plastic shoe. Is this plastic? I don't even know what this is. Foam, I guess you could say. It's actually really cool because the box is like inside out, like I said. So like the size is right here and the outside is just like plain. Definitely a very cool design. I would kind of like to see more shoes like this. Just something to mix it up from the normal like $350. So guys, not really much to it. These are pretty dope. I'm probably gonna put them up on the shelf for a little bit. I do see prices going up, so if you do have your own pairs, I would definitely suggest holding on to them. Sending payment. 10. There's a lot of them sending payment, but I don't know if they're going through. 3 carded. Oh, okay. Okay. Order placed. We got one. Okay, place. Thank God we got one. So that release was not fun at all. A foot site sold out in a matter of seconds, and then Yeezy Supply had no stock, and Adidas was just bad. I guess I got one pair in Adidas. I could have had more. I carded like 15 or something like that. But unfortunately, I only got one pair because of the card thing on Adidas. But you know, the last couple of releases honestly have not been too good at all. Like they've been pretty bad, honestly. I actually do have one reserved on Finish Line for like the reservation stuff, so I'm gonna go to the mall here pretty soon. I actually am gonna call another store, Foot Action, and see what time they open. So hopefully I can get a couple pairs locally. So I'm about to just eat my cereal, get some stuff together, and then I'm gonna go over to Kaylee's house, and then we're gonna go to the mall. Alright boys, that drop did not go very well. So right now, I'm going to Kaylee's house for a little bit. Then I have a reservation at Foot Locker, or actually it's at Finish Line. I'm gonna go pick up, and then hopefully I can get some leftovers, and I'm about to consign some Yeezys at Tinto's. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. Hi guys, so we got the reservation. Now we're about to take shoes into the place.
Yeah.
Into Tinto's. So I'm on to the second load. This is gonna be interesting.
Are you sure?
Can you close the trunk?
Yeah. Do you want me to stop or?
Oh, you go. I didn't know you were getting more, though.
Yeah.
My God. What up?
How's it going?
How are you, bro?
Hot.
2003 still with tag.
Damn, that's crazy. Where'd you get them?
Consign, bro. Got the best consigners in the game.
Fuck. 10 toes, damn. It's really hot, so I'm making this quick. We just went inside, dropped up all that stuff. Now we're about to go eat at Wingstop and go to my house.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so I have these boxes here. I believe one's a pair of grapes and one's a pair of Yeezys. So this would be the pair of Yeezys that I got over the weekend. Unfortunately, it was not a very successful weekend because this was the only pair of shoes I got, and then I had a pair of smoke grays, but other than that, not too successful. These are so weird. They're super weird. They're size 7.5. They don't look bad. They're just very weird. They look like water shoes or something. I don't know. They were dumb limited though. Resale is only gonna go up, so I'm definitely holding these things. See, they're just like smashed. Like they were smashed in the box. They're not bad looking shoes. They look kind of dope, but like they're just weird. I don't know. Not bad. I'll hold on to them. I think they're gonna go up. Also, I can't remember if I recorded this or not. I opened up another pair of foam runners. I think that's what they're called. That I got off somebody for like 200 bucks. I see these going up, so I'm gonna be holding on to these for a little bit. Weird looking shoes for sure, but there's just hype around them, so I think they're gonna go up. Now, dude, this is a big box. This is a pretty big box. I got these on sneakers, so I can't remember what size I picked, but I know it was a big size. 12.5, yeah, pretty big size. These are giant, but they look really dope. I'm gonna look them up on StockX right now. 12.5 is going for 230. Hopefully these go up, otherwise might be time to return. But on an actual note, guys, I definitely do see the grapes going up, so if you have a bunch of pairs, I would probably suggest holding on to them for a little bit, because prices are pretty low right now. We're going to Oklahoma City today. We don't really have a plan what we're gonna do. We're pretty much just gonna go visit like this thing, Pops. What is it, like a store? A museum? I don't know. And then we're gonna go down to a couple sneaker stores, probably do some shopping. It's probably gonna be a pretty long day, so this video is probably gonna be really long. So if you're watching this right now and you haven't liked it, please consider doing so. I know it's gonna take me like a long time to edit. We're here at the melting pot. I don't really know what it is. I've never been here before, but it's really nice. So we'll see how it goes. I think you cook your food at the table, so that's kind of weird. Come out with my cousin Ryan. You wanna shout anything out, Ryan?
Please don't.
Your
Please
friend,
don't.
it's my cousin Ryan. You probably won't see that, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's start putting it on.
Are you going for the shop first?
Did you say cook vlog or something?
Yeah.
Get that bad boy. I'm just gonna start chopping on it. Alright guys, so we're going into 10th Street Kicks in Oklahoma City. Obviously that's where we're at. It's right here. I don't know if they're open. Yeah. So I'm not gonna lie guys, I got pretty nervous when I walked in there because there's a bunch of people in there. Unfortunately, I didn't really record anything, but here's a couple videos of the shoes. Pretty dope store. I would definitely recommend checking them out. Dude, I am too, so we just got at 10th Street. Pretty dope. I didn't really record a lot, but if you guys are in Oklahoma City, definitely should check them out. Pretty cool store. Low key though, like I didn't really like expect it to be like that. Kind of hard to find, like low key, but like it was dope. Now we're going to this place called Pops that has like a bunch of pop and soda and shit. Okay guys, so if you're still watching the video, it's probably like 20 minutes in easily. Because there's a lot going on in here, so if you want some more stuff like this, let me know. If you don't want to see it like this long, let me know too. I'll make it shorter. It's gonna take me days to edit, so please like the video. Completing order. Completing order. Cart emptied. Submitting order. Come on, give me something. Oh, okay, I got one. I got one. Where did I get it at? Where did I get the JD Sports? Okay, I got one on JD. One, so, oh, two. Uh-oh. There's going back to be a shitload coming through, I think. I don't know why I said uh-oh. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing on JD. Oh shit, boys, we're kind of going hard. I've got 3 so far on JD. At least charge-wise. Start now. All right, start. Horrible captchas. Horrible captchas. Manual? Manual? Did I cop manually? Processing order. I manually copped. Don't say you can't manually cop, boys. On kit, Saber autofill manually. Look. See it? Yes, sir. Saber autofill, bro. If you're not in, you're sleeping. Alright guys, so that wasn't a terrible drop. I ended up checking out 8 pairs, I believe, and had 5 cancels, leaving me with 3 pairs. Obviously, I had 6 on JD, 5 of those got canceled. I had 1 on Kith, and actually I had 2 on Yeezy Supply, so I have 4 pairs coming. Hopefully, we'll see how many get canceled after that. Unfortunately, it was not a great drop. I didn't do very good on foot sites at all. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm doing wrong there, because honestly, I don't really know. But all in all, guys, not a terrible day. Unfortunately, I did a lot worse than I wanted to do, but hopefully for the next drop, we can do a lot better. I was also running on no sleep, so that was kind of why I was looking dead in the video, unfortunately. And I was so tired I forgot to record my screen, so I had to take it from the stream. Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, definitely be sure to leave a like down below. Leave a comment, let me guys know what your favorite part was, what you guys want to see more of. And obviously guys, if you want to see more content like that, definitely be sure to subscribe down below. Just like the intro guys, there's not really too much to say in the outro. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, definitely be sure to subscribe for more. That's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.